Students, today we are going to start our next lecture. Today we study about the addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. Two matrices A and B can be added if they have same order. Only in the case if both the matrices have same order we can add them. Both two or more than two can be added. A matrix 2 1 5 6 3 0 7 9 3. This is the matrix A of order 3 by 3. Next we write the B matrix. B is equal to 7 2 3 1 5 6 3 0 5. Then we can add both of them matrix as they have same order. Matrix A and matrix B have order 3 by 3. So we can add both of them. By adding them, A plus B is equal to 8 2 1 5 6 3 0 7 9 3. 7 2 3 1 5 6 3 0 5. In addition of matrix, opponent entity add in a matrix. An entity of matrix A can be added in the entity of matrix B, but corresponding entries are always added into each other. Suppose 2 plus 7, same here 1 plus 2, 5 plus 3, next 6 plus 1, 3 plus 5, 0 plus 6, 7 plus 3, 9 plus 0 and 3 plus 5, which is equal to, when adding them, 2 plus 7 9, 1 plus 2 3, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 1 7, 3 plus 5 8, 0 plus 6 6, 7 plus 3 10, 9 plus 0 9 and 3 plus 5 8, which is the answer of addition of matrix A plus B. A and B can be added by this way. This is the addition of matrix.